Today we have one of the Chevrolet Delco radios. This is an AM/FM cassette, and the problem we're having with this is when you insert a cassette, CLn comes up in the display, and what that means is the cassette player has enough hours on it, it's recognized as time to be cleaned. Now, we've opened it up, taken the top cover off, of course, been through the mechanism, cleaned up the head and the pinch rollers. They were quite dirty. And we've inserted a cassette. It still comes up with clean CLn in the display. And I want to show you how to clear this code. And what you do is you insert a cassette, you push and hold the eject button, push in the cassette, you'll get the 3 dashes. If this doesn't happen, then you have to try this maybe 2 or 3 times, inserting the cassette while holding the eject button. But once it's been cleared by holding the eject button in several times, you can put a cassette in and we no longer have CLn in the display. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our other do-it-yourself repairs along with car stereo removal on our website, and thank you for watching.